Hello everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin ngayon. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang introduction to Java programming. Kung mahilig ka sa mga computers, game, at app, siguradong importante para sa iyo ang Java. Kaya i-explore natin ito ng step by step. First of all, bago sa lahat, meron tayong learning outcomes na kailangan sundan. First, describe and discuss the Java story, technology features, and requirements. Second, differentiate applet and application. So, tara na. Unang-una sa lahat, ano nga ba ang Java? Java was created in 1991 by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Newton from Sun Microsystems. Originally, ang tawag sa kanya ay GreenTalk with file extension .gt. Later on, tinawag siyang Oak bilang part ng Green Project. Pero, since may existing language na Oak ang pangalan, pinalitan nila from Oak ang pangalan to Java. Una sa lahat, sino nga ba si James Gosling? James Gosling is a Canadian computer scientist, the inventor of Java programming language, known for his work as the father of Java at Sun Microsystems. He earned his bachelor degree from the University of Calgary and a PhD from Carnegie Mellon University, where he developed a version of the Unix operating system and the Gosling Emacs text editor. Gosling joined Sun in 1984 and led the Java project starting 1901, a platform-independent language inspired by his early work on PERQ emulator. Next. Bakit Java? Sabi ni James Gosling, isa ito sa top name choice kasama ng Silk. Pero, mas unique at mas gusto ng team ang Java. Trivia. Ang Java ay isang isla sa Indonesia kung saan una na-produce ang sikat na Java copy. In 1995, nakasama pa ang Java sa Time Magazine 10 Best Products of 1995. At noong January 23, 1996, nag-release na ang JDK 1.0, the very first version of Java. Next naman ay Java history. Version 1.0, release date 1995, first release, applet and AWT. Version 1.2, year release 1998, swing and collection. 0.5, 2004, generic and annotation. Java 6, 2006, web series, JVM improvement, Java virtual machine. Java 7, 2011, try with resource and Neo.2. Java 8, 2014, Lambda and Stream API. Java 9, 2017, Module System. Java 11, 2018, HTTP Client and LTS. Java 17, 2001, Sealed Class LTS. Java 21, 2023, Virtual Threads and LTS. Here's the summary of Java history. The first project developed using Java. Star 7 was the first program developed in Java around 1992, created by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems, designed as an interactive smart handheld remote control for home device like TV and VCR. Introduced the Duck mascot, which became the official symbol of Java. Although not released commercially, it proves Java concept of write once and run anywhere. The success of Star 7 led the official release of Java in 1995. What is Java technology? Programming language. Java itself used to write source code that follow specific rules and syntax. Next, development environment. Tools like the Java Development Kit or JDK that allows programmers to write, compile, and test their Java program. Next, application environment, where Java program runs such as desktop system or mobile device or server. Next is development environment, how Java programs are distributed and executed, making sure that they can be installed and used properly on different systems. Next naman ay ang Java features. Isa sa mga strength ng Java ay ang dami nitong features. First, object-oriented. Gumagamit siya ng OOP concept tulad ng object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. The second is simple. Madaling matutunan na, lalo na kung may background ka sa C or C++. Third, secure. Safe siya against viruses at threat. Based on my research, Java is wala pa siyang virus issue or hack issue because very secure ito. Fourth, platform independent. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang mag-run ng Java program sa iba't ibang operating system basta may JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Next, 5. Robust. Reliable at error-free kung tama ang coding. 6. Portable. Pwede mong i-transfer ang program from one system to another. 7. Architecture neutral. Hindi nakadepende sa isang hardware. 8. Dynamic. Kaya niyang mag-adjust at mag-expand. 9. Interpreted. Ginagamit niya ang interpreter for execution. 10. High performance. Pabilis dahil sa bytecode at JVM. 11. Multi-threaded. Kaya niyang mag-run ng multiple tasks sabay-sabay. 12. Distributed. Ginagamit siya for network-based application. Java development and environment. A Java development environment is the setup where programs create, compile, and run programs. For Java, it includes several important tools. First, JDK. JDK or Java Development Kit contains tools for developing Java program, compiler, and debugger. Next, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, provide libraries and JVM to run Java application. Next, JVM, Java Virtual Machine, execute the bytecode and makes Java platform independent. Third, IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Software like Eclipse, NetBeans, or IntelliJ IDEA that helps write, compile, and debug code easily. Java Programming Cycle. The Java Programming Cycle shows how Java program goes from source code to output. First, source code or .java. Programmer Like, write the program using text editor or IDE. Second, compilation. The Java compiler or JAVAC translates source code into bytecode. That class. Third, bytecode. Platform-independent instruction that can run any system with a JVM or Java Virtual Machine. Fourth, interpretation or execution. The JVM interprets the bytecode and execute it line by line. 5 and the last one, output. The program display the result to the user. That's all for Java cycle. Applets versus application. Dalawang types ng programs ang pwede mong gawin sa Java. First, applets. Mga special program na tumatakbo sa loob ng browser. Next, application. Mga stand-alone programs na hindi kailangan ng browser. An applet is a small Java program that runs inside a web browser or app viewer. Applet viewer. It cannot run on its own. It needs a web page or an HTML file to run. Applet are mostly used for interactive web content like animation or small games. They use the applet class from Java.applet package. Next, what is application? A Java application is a standalone program that runs directly on your computer. It does not need a browser or HTML file to run. You start it using the main parenthesis method, and it's run through the Java Virtual Machine or JVM. Common example including desktop apps, games, or utilities. That's end. Thank you for watching. Thank you. So ayan, we covered the history of Java, its feature, development process, at kung paano siya ginamit sa application. Java remains the most powerful and versatile language hanggang ngayon. Kaya kung gusto mo maging programmer, Java is definitely a great starting point. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa next lesson. Bye-bye!